Are you tired of settling for mediocre coffee and tea at home, yearning for the exquisite flavors and variety offered at coffeehouses? Say hello to the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system, your gateway to a world of delightful and richly flavored beverages. This exceptional brewing system empowers you to brew hot and flavorful cups of coffee and tea, as well as refreshing over-ice beverages, all crafted with the help of the advanced thermal flavor extraction technology with Auto-Ick. Whether you crave a smooth and naturally sweet cold brew or a vivid and authentic hot brewed iced coffee or tea, this versatile system caters to all your preferences. Immerse yourself in the captivating flavors of specialty coffee and tea concoctions that mirror the best coffee houses in town. Here are the key features of Ninja Cp307 Hot and Cold Brewed System. The perfect blend of hot and cold brewing, an unrivaled experience. With the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system, your beverage options are limitless. Brew tea or coffee at a lower temperature over ice for a smooth, naturally sweet flavor in just 10 to 15 minutes. The system comes equipped with separate baskets for brewing coffee and loose or bagged tea, ensuring that flavors remain distinct and true to their essence. Thanks to the Smart Basket Recognition feature, the system effortlessly identifies the contents of the basket and automatically displays coffee or tea options, simplifying the brewing process. Customizable brew sizes and styles, tailored to your desires. The Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system offers a vast range of brewing possibilities to suit your every need. Choose from 6 brew sizes, including single cup, XL cup, travel size, XL travel size, and half or full carafe, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages in any quantity. Moreover, you have the freedom to select from 5 brew styles: classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, or specialty, ensuring that every cup or glass is tailored to your desired strength and flavor profile. Mastering the art of tea, the system knows the way. Select your preferred tea type, and the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system will take care of the rest. The system is intuitively designed to know the right temperature and number of steps needed to brew the perfect cup of tea. Delight in the rich and nuanced flavors of your favorite tea varieties, all thanks to this remarkable technology. Keeping it hot, the thermal carafe, no need to worry about your coffee or tea getting cold too quickly. The Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system includes a 50 Oz thermal carafe that is double-walled to keep your beverages hot for up to 2 hours. Bid farewell to the hassle of warming plates. Your drinks will stay steaming and ready to enjoy. Milk frother, a barista's secret weapon. Elevate your coffee and tea experience with the built-in, fold-away frother. Transform hot or cold milk or milk alternatives into silky smooth froth in mere seconds. Enjoy the luxury of barista-style drinks in the comfort of your own home, prepared to perfection by this convenient and efficient frother. Easy cleaning and maintenance, a hassle-free experience. The Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system understands your need for convenience. It comes with dishwasher-safe parts, including the water reservoir, frother whisk, brew-through lid, coffee and tea permanent filters, removable filter holders, flip-top lid, and scoop, all of which are top-rack dishwasher-safe. The 50 Oz thermal carafe, however, should be hand-washed only. A complete package for beverage bliss, the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system includes everything you need to embark on a journey of delightful beverages. With the system, you'll receive the 50 Oz double-walled thermal carafe, separate coffee and tea brew baskets, coffee permanent filter, tea permanent filter, removable water reservoir, Ninja Smart Scoop, and the fold-away frother. The package provides all the essential tools to enhance your coffee and tea experience to the fullest. Unlock a world of flavors with the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system. In conclusion, the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system is the ultimate solution for all your coffee and tea cravings. Its ability to brew hot and cold beverages, as well as its customizable brew sizes and styles, make it a must-have addition to any coffee and tea lover's kitchen. From classic to cold brew, from smooth to rich, this brewing system caters to every palate and preference, providing a delightful beverage experience like no other.